take it. Take pictures. It's a photo. It's a video. Gee, that is so much birds in the air. I've never seen this in my life. Whoa. They were there, now birds. They were there, now they're there.